Hi guys. So this is a quick video on how to buy crepe token. So to buy a certain token on a certain network, whatever it is, you need a contract address of the token because there are so many actors in this space that can create a lookalike of the main thing that you are looking for. So we use Dex Screener, as you can see, to navigate properly the right address to select. So crepe over here, if you look at the top, unfortunately, I'm still looking for an app that will allow me to make illustrations on the video, okay, so I can show you exactly what I am pointing to and what I'm clicking on. So if you look up, there's crepe slash WBNB. Over there, right beside the crepe, there's a copy button. That you can see that double thing over there. It's a copy button. Once you click it, like you can see, it says address copied to clipboard. So that's the address of crepe that I have copied. Now let's go to Binance. So basically, I have $10 on my Binance. So over here, let's say I have 67. I want to send $10 to my Binance exchange. Since crepe is not on Binance Spot exchange itself, I'll click on wallet, as you can see from the top, exchange wallet. Once I click on wallet, it will take me to my Binance wallet. I'll go to assets. Then I'll click on receive. If I click on receive, I'll go to transfer from Binance Exchange. Then I'll click on USDT. So it's showing me the USDT I have on my exchange. I click USDT. I'll select BNB Smart Chain. Right. Continue. Then I would buy a minimum of say 10. I'll send rather, sorry, $10. I'll transfer it from my Binance Exchange to my Binance wallet. I'll hit confirm and then I'll verify the passkey. Okay. Once I verify the passkey, it should be able to send the funds from my Binance exchange to my Binance wallet. Let me go back. So my USDT position has changed from, it was what, 232. It's now 242. So the $10 has finally arrived. Okay, the second thing is to get some BNB from the Binance exchange to the Binance wallet, because the swap that we'll be performing the swap on the BSC network, and the gas token for BSC network is called BNB. So we'll need to deposit some BNB from our Binance exchange to our Binance wallet in order to facilitate the transaction, the swap transaction, from USDT to crepe. Okay, so let's go to home at the down left. Then let's click on exchange at the top. Then it will bring us back to Binance. Now on Binance, when we click on trade, which is at the bottom middle, trade, we'll have this exchange pair route. Now, where you see at the top left, OG USDT, you click it, and then in the search button, you put BNB. So the first option, BNB slash USDT. Once you click it, we are going to buy some BNB using our USDT. So I have some USDT on Binance. Like you can see, I'm going to select in the total USDT column. Now, there's already a video for this. This is basically how to perform a trade on your Binance Spot exchange. Okay, so on the USDT side, I'll just enter 10 USDT, which will buy me some BNB. The price of BNB, now the market is not fluctuating like that, so I'll change the limit order to market order. Okay, because there are no pointers, when I say something, just pause the video, look on the screen, and then you'll find what I'm saying. To market order, I'll now swap. Don't always use market order, okay, when the market is volatile. You can use the limit. Let me just go back, use the limit so that we can understand. Sorry. So let's use the limit. The limit says the price of BNB is 1058. So I'll just put the 1058 here. So every day, just try to put it there. 85. So it keeps fluctuating. So I'll enter a higher price, zero point 0.5. It's not there yet, but I'll just buy. Then I'll enter a total USDT of 10. I'll click on buy BNB, confirm, and then it should go through. Very good. So you would see that it says limit order by transaction notification. So I have actually bought. So I'll go to assets. I'll go to spot at the top, spot. I'll refresh this, and then the position should change. I should see BNB. All right, so I have BNB sitting in my wallet now. What I'll do now is go to home, top and down left. I'll click on wallet at the top. Then I'll click on assets down right. click on receive, transfer from Binance Exchange. Then now I'll select BNB. So I'll select BNB Smart Chain, which is BP20. Click continue. Then I'll go to max over here. So I'm sending everything the maximum. Click transfer, confirm, verify the passkey, and then use passkey. BNB should appear on your Binance wallet. Let's go back, 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 back. You see, I have 5.86 in BNB. Once it arrives, it will increase so that it will become around 15. Okay, now it's there. So we've received the BNB. So now we have USDT, we have BNB. Now I have extra tokens, so it wouldn't look like your wallet. Maybe your wallet is empty, so you just see 10 USDT and then say another version for BNB. So now let's click on USDT. Let's click on swap. And then the pair says you are going to swap from USDT to BNB, but that's not what we are going to do. We are actually going to swap from USDT to crepe. So let's click on the BNB. Once you click on it, you see something like this. Now you go to the search button and try to paste the address that we copied earlier. Once you paste it, it will give you the exact contract of crepe. So what is most important is getting the crepe contract address from the right place. So for every token that you want to buy, all you need is the right contract address, which you can always find on Dex Screener. Okay. So if you need a contract address of a particular token, you can just drop a comment and then I'll just give you the contract address. So you click on crepe and then you get a pair swapping from USDT to crepe. At where you can put the amount, I'll put 10 USDT and then it will give me 133,000 tokens of crepe. I'll click swap, click confirm. And yeah, in a few seconds, I should see USDT swapped. Let's go to downright assets and you'd see that USDT position has changed from 242 to 232. Okay, so the swap has happened. If you go to history, you should see that the swap has happened. And where's the swap? The first transaction at the top. You see that negative 10, which means they took out 10 USDT, and then there's positive 133,816 crepe tokens. So it means that they took out 10 USDT and gave you 133,000 worth of crepe tokens. So this is a simple way of buying crepe tokens. Thank you, guys.